Good morning and welcome to today's edition of FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. And in Asia, shares slipped as Tokyo's hotter-than-expected inflation numbers spurred rate hike bets. The yen surged 3% this week, its best performance in 4 months, with traders now seeing a 60% chance of a December rate hike by the Bank of Japan. Meanwhile, Japan's Nikkei dropped 0.7%, and the MSCI Asia-Pacific Index shed 0.5% this week. Analysts note that Tokyo's inflation, sitting above the 2% target, points to persistent price pressures. And in Forex news, the dollar softened, down 1.4% this week against major peers, as hopes for a US rate cut in December gained traction. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, markets are now pricing a 63% probability of a quarter-point cut. This sentiment comes amid easing Treasury yields, with 10-year yields hitting a one-month low of 4.24%. Over in Europe, French bond yields saw a momentary reprieve as Prime Minister Michel Barnier dropped a planned electricity tax hike under pressure. German inflation data surprised to the downside, raising questions ahead of the Eurozone CPI release. Traders remain divided on whether the ECB will cut rates by 25 or even 50 basis points next month. Oil prices ticked up slightly as Middle East ceasefire talks eased immediate supply fears. However, Brent and WTI crude faced weekly losses amid thin holiday trading. Gold also saw a 2% decline, closing the week at $2,638 per ounce, as a stronger dollar and easing geopolitical fears weighed on prices. Thank you for tuning in to FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.